1865년 남부연합 게릴라들이 북부 연방군의 습격을 받고 그때 남부 게릴라 측 대장이 쓰러지자 이들은 크게 동요하는데
They got a Gatling! Give me the James boy.
You want Jesse?
I want the one that can shoot. Frank! Frank, I'm Frank!
명사수 프랭크가 앞으로 나서고
Cannon or Gatling? Cannon!
프랭크는 포병을 향해 조준을 시작하는데 그때 기관총의 공격이 계속되자 제시 제임스가 모습을 드러냅니다.
Where you been, buddy? So we got a plan?
can hit those boys from here. We just need a distraction.
Why the hell didn't you just say so? He's smiling.
It's never a good thing.
제시는 혼자 말을 타고 북부 연방군의 시선을 끌기 시작하죠. 제시가 시선을 끄는 사이 프랭크가 다시 조준하고 제시의 활약으로 게릴라들은 연방군을 향해 돌진합니다. 그때 제시에게 총격을 가하는 젊은 북부군.
Go on, get me.
결국 남부연합 게릴라들은 북부 연방군을 상대로 대승을 거둡니다. 영화 파이브 건스 시작합니다. 전투를 끝내고 돌아가던 제시 일행은 남부연합군을 마주치는데
General Lee surrendered yesterday at Appomattox. War's over, son.
What do you reckon, cousin? Home. Now that's the best damn plan I heard all war.
God help any fool who tries to come between me and my farm again.
Come on, boys, let's ride!
이제 이들은 고향인 미주리주로 향하고
Hello, Liberty, Missouri. Let's go home. Planting corn, harvesting corn. Weren't gonna shoot at me? Nope. Then I love it.
그런데 마을에는 군인들이 가득했죠.
Got a garrison in town.
Hands off your hip, Cole.
그리고 이들은 처형된 시신을 보게 되는데
That's Charlie Higgins.
I'm cutting them down. Not now, Cole. In case we have to kill Eastside, I don't want them to see us coming.
We'll go see Doc Mims.
Cole, I want to get back to the farm and make sure little Jim and the girls are okay.
잠시 뒤 의사 밈스를 만나러 간 제임스 형제.
Excuse me, sir. We're here for the doctor. Zarella? Little Z Mims? You got big. What I mean is, in a good way, you got big and older.
Frank? Jesse?
Daddy.
Where's Webb?
제시는 밈스의 아들 웹의 사망 소식을 전하고
Saved all our lives, Doc. None of the Liberty boys would have come home if not for Webb Mims. Webb died a hero.
Still died.
If there's anything we can do for you, we want to help.
Don't end up like Charlie Higgins. They tried him by military tribunal and they hanged him this morning. But if you rode in one of the partisan bands, they'll hang you for treason.
이어서 밈스는 철도회사가 근처 땅을 매입하고 있는데 농장 소유주들이 땅을 팔지 않을 경우 반역죄로 교수형에 처하고 있다고 이야기합니다.
During the war, all we thought about was coming home. If I have to go to war with the railroad to stay, it's fine by me.
Now go on to see your ma. She'll be glad to see her son's alive.
Thank you for everything.
Now look, Z.
I'm going to go cry now.
That Zerelda turned into a hell of a woman. Big and older.
I swear to God, I will shoot you in your sleep.
Next time, try fat and haggard.
드디어 집으로 향하는 제임스 형제.
My boys are alive.
Well, not if you don't ease up a bit, Mom.
Well, now come on inside, wash your hands for dinner.
집에는 사촌인 영거 형제와 톰이 먼저 와 있었고
Glad to see you being so nice to our Indian friend.
Well, he's a good Christian, and Jesus told me that made him an all right boy.
He's still talking to Jesus.
I heard that.
Is he? Yours, he?
Yeah.
Huh.
You ever notice Zarelda's eyes?
You got two of them, don't you?
I think one of them's glass.
Hey,
그때 철도회사 관계자들이 이들을 찾아옵니다.
boys.
Howdy, folks. How are you today?
Howdy. Easterners.
As you no doubt heard from your neighbors, our railroad is moving west.
Well, that makes sense as the east would put you underwater.
바커는 제임스 가족의 농장이 철도 용지에 위치하고 있다며 토지 매매 계약서를 내미는데
$2 an acre.
$2. This land ain't for sale.
This land's about to be condemned. You familiar with the legal concept, the right of eminent domain?
The price of $2 an acre is a one-time only deal. So you see, I'm doing you folks a favor. After today, the price goes down. So if I were you, I would just sign the contract and...
Good day, Mr. Parker.
You don't have a choice.
and try to do the right thing.
Let me ask the Lord.
잠시 기도를 드리는 그녀.
The Lord says we can bury him out back in the orchard. Nobody'll ever find him.
Now, ma'am, you folks are making a serious mistake here.
Nicely played.
그날 저녁 마을 주민들이 한자리에 모였고
I came back from the war. My farm was burned down. And now my wife's run off with my cousin, Jeb. He took my dog.
Lonnie, about the railroad.
He took my dog.
The railroad doesn't even need our land. That's only if we don't stick together.
그때 재래다가 밥을 부축하면서 들어오는데
They came up. One of the detectives hit him in the head and knocked him out. Cole lost his temper.
How many of them did he kill, Bob?
2.
The army can hang him.
Tomorrow.
What do we do?
You folks are gonna do nothing. You're gonna go home right now.
Boys.
Doc, go home. They ain't gonna hang no more Liberty Boys.
Go.
Meeting's adjourned.
Go home.
그때 톰과 짐이 들어오고
And you're too young.
I'm the same age you were when you went to war.
You're wasting time.
Z, go home.
You need to know how they do it. And if you mess up rescuing Cole because you won't listen to a woman, then damn you all.
All right.
He's smiling.
Is that bad? Very.
다음날 이들은 콜을 구하기 위한 작전을 시작하고
Pinkerton, relax.
I've got men positioned at every entrance to this square, and I've got a sharpshooter up on that rooftop over there.
그러나 옥상은 이미 프랭크가 접수했죠.
No, to be hanged this day by the neck until dead.
이제 콜의 처형이 시작되는데 그때 수많은 말들이 광장 쪽을 향해 돌진하고 프랭크가 저격에 성공하자 제시가 콜을 구합니다. 그런데 그때 제시에게 총을 겨누는 핑커톤. 총상을 입으면서도 핑커톤을 쓰러뜨린 제시는 그만 정신을 잃고 마는데
Sir, are you all right? Somebody get a doctor.
He's gonna be fine. Right, Daddy?
The bullet came out clean, but he's lost an awful lot of blood.
그때 군인들이 밈스의 집에 들이닥치고
Sir, who are you?
Sorry, ma'am.
Go. Go. Jesse, are you awake? Jesse, set your hand.
They're gone. Well, let's hope the boy pulls through.
I think he's feeling better already.
얼마 뒤 철도회사 사장 레이스가 마을에 도착합니다.
Pleasure to have you join us in the field.
If I could build the greatest railroad the world has ever seen. What's going on?
A group of local thugs managed to rescue him from the gallows, while Mr. Alan Pinkerton was seriously injured in the incident.
We'll teach these podunks what happens.
Yes, sir.
며칠 뒤 제시가 침상에서 일어나고
Everybody in the county knows it was you who rescued Cole. And not a single farm's been sold to the railroad since. We're all so proud of you, Jesse.
I wasn't the only person risking my neck that day, so.
That I should go and spend time with Cole Younger?
No, I never said that.
You
could stop loafing around with that young lady and get back to the farm.
What do you say, sir?
Go ahead, you're pretty much all healed up.
Bye, Jesse.
Bye, Z. Hey, Doc. Well, I was thinking maybe I could come by and take Z out. Near, here, but out.
Oh, don't worry, sir. I'll make sure they're properly chaperoned.
It's fine by me.
Oh, by the way, the Army's leaving town, so we're all gonna meet at the younger place for a shindig.
군대가 철수하자 몸을 숨기고 있던 콜이 마을로 돌아오고
Tom, thank you. Never forget what you did, cousin.
이제 이들은 파티를 즐기는데
You didn't want to farm?
I was thinking more along the lines of being a river pirate.
Well, thank God you grew out of that.
I mean, it would be an all right life for a bachelor.
Are you planning on being a bachelor your whole life, Jesse James?
Not if I find the right girl.
And what's this right girl like?
She always makes me think she's at least 2 steps ahead of me. I'm planning on kissing you for a very long time.
그런데 그때 낯선 무리가 마을을 공격하고
Pinkertons. It's a railroad.
급하게 집으로 향하는 제임스 형제.
No, Ma. Now we gotta get to the dock now.
Take care of each other. Take care of
No, Doc Mims.
The good Lord's a bit shorter than I reckon.
Ma.
결국 그녀는 숨을 거두고 맙니다. 이후 제시는 동료들과 함께 철도회사에 복수할 계획을 세우는데
This isn't a feud, this is war. We do what we did in the war. We harass their supply lines.
If we take away their money and supplies.
Exactly.
See if she can't get me a list of towns where the railroad's keeping its money.
출발 준비를 하는 제시에게 제레다는 가지 말라며 설득해보지만
Just let the law.
Laws don't touch men like Thaddeus Reigns.
When will you stop?
When I send them to their graves.
그녀의 만류에도 제시는 동료들과 함께 은행으로 향하고
The railroad payroll has been stolen.
The railroad's money is right there in that safe.
That safe?
그리고 은행 밖에는 프랭크를 비롯한 동료들이 망을 보고 있었는데
This is outrageous. Who are you people?
The James gang.
The James gang?
The James Younger gang.
The bank's closed today. It's a bank holiday at the bank.
Get out of my way! Get out of my way! Hey! You real good now. If you don't get out of my I gotta get through and get to the bank.
Hey, mister!
Hang on back
what
there.
the hell are you doing, mister?
Go on.
Hey, the safe.
It ain't no bank holiday.
It's a bank holiday.
It ain't.
On account of that, we're robbing it. It's secret.
Oh. Why didn't you just say so in the first place? I'll just wait over here.
I'd appreciate that.
Old man Tucker is just sitting there quiet outside the bank. So when have you ever known old man Tucker not to be yelling at him?
그 사이 철도회사 급여를 훔치는 데 성공한 제시와 콜. 그런데 보안관이 그들의 앞을 가로막고
Sir, you can do this the smart way or the stupid way. Only one way ends with you still breathing. Just because we're robbing a bank, no reason not to be civil about it.
Where the hell were you?
I had you covered.
$8,000? That's $1,000 apiece.
All right, settle down. Not all this money's ours. Look, we ought to take some of this money and give it to our neighbors in Liberty.
하지만 콜은 제시의 의견에 반기를 드는데
Who put you in charge of this gang, Jesse, huh? You did a mighty fine job leading us during the war.
And I seem to remember cutting a noose from your neck.
All Jesse's doing is making a suggestion. That's fine.
Nicole,
Oh, wait, just a minute. Now we're in this for the long haul. Because this is a war.
This ain't no war. Nobody paid me no $1,000 to fight in a war.
이후 제임스 형과 갱단은 여러 곳의 은행을 더 털었고 철도 회사에 대한 복수를 이어갑니다.
Then they raided the payroll office and blew the track. Not to mention the added delay of miles of destroyed track.
How much did they get from the safe?
$35,000, sir. To be precise, sir, they didn't actually blow the track. Our workers planted the dynamite.
Pinkerton, what is going on here?
Well, they had to be dealt with.
By burning down their homes.
I want them arrested and hanged.
이에 핑커톤은 신문기사를 보여주며 사람들은 그들의 편이라고 이야기하고
Meaning that for a few months, honest farmers will be able to sleep without fearing a railroad is coming to steal their land.
그리고 얼마 뒤 또다시 행동을 개시하는 제임스 영거 갱단.
That was a fine piece of driving.
Good afternoon, sir. Could you change this for me, please?
Certainly, sir.
Thank you.
I'm sorry, but this bill is counterfeit.
Oh, I don't think so.
Jesse James?
Yes, sir. It's a terrible sketch. Goodbye, sir. Have a good day.
Goodbye.
한편 철도회사에서는 제임스 영거 갱단을 잡을 대책을 마련하고 있었는데
Hartley farmers, sir. Disciplined and have a charismatic leader. 4 years of bloody fighting experience back.
So what can you tell me?
It's going to be a long winter.
이후에도 핑커톤은 제임스 영거 갱단을 잡기 위해 노력하지만 번번이 놓치고 말죠.
3 younger brothers and 2 James brothers. Why in the hell aren't we the younger James gang?
The younger James gang is confusing. And we're the younger James gang. Is there an older James gang?
Hey, do we even have the same mama?
Can't argue with that, Cole.
Pinkerton, it's been 8 months. I don't see men on the end of nooses.
I have to get inside this man's mind. And that takes time. Certain towns in Missouri where the James gang walks openly in the street, give money. Churches to farmers. They even built a school.
Burn that school too.
That's the way to win him back to our side. Then you let me do my job. It's going to be a long spring.
핑커톤의 노력에도 불구하고 그들을 잡기란 쉽지 않았고
What's that?
It's my lucky rabbit's foot.
Yeah, I don't think that one's working, Lonnie.
얼마 지나지 않아 그들의 현상금은 단숨에 2배로 치솟습니다.
One false move and I'll blow your head off. You know how crazy I get?
Pop, this is about the wanted posters, isn't it?
We're in the middle of something here.
Yeah, Bob's upset.
The posters?
Yeah, in that tone of voice.
Okay. Bob Hero, kill a man for sneezing. Bob Younger taught me how to shoot.
Now, how about we get back to the robbery? That means now, mister!
The new route for the railroad is complete, sir.
What's that?
That, sir? It's cheaper to go around Jesse James, sir.
That Jesse James has won?
그때 핑커톤이 이들의 이동 반경 내에 털리지 않은 은행이 4군데가 있다고 이야기하는데
Could you put men at all 4?
I have a much better tool at my disposal for that.
Jesse, things the fellas got to do to get a little respect around here.
You deserve it, Bob. It's about time.
We got a problem. It's Cole. He's planning a job.
Tell me.
콜은 신문에 난 기사를 보고 새로운 계획을 세우고 있었고
Got $100,000 in railroad money just sitting. I know this town, I know this bank, and I say it's an easy job.
Yeah, what are you saying, Cole? Well, I think you're forgetting who's in charge.
Jesse. You're in charge? You tell Cole Younger when and where to ride?
You have got mighty full of yourself lately, Jesse.
He didn't mean that.
You're taking sides against me now, Frank?
So being with me is being against you? Greatest outlaw who ever lived. I got us through the war, all right.
And nearly got hanged in peacetime.
결국 이들은 몸싸움을 벌이고
The better soldier, Jesse, and I'm the better outlaw.
You do this job and Daddy's raise will never come west again. He's paying the payroll out of his own fortune. Hey, it's the railroad, that's all that matters.
Jesse, I still don't like it. Let me run the show, General Lee. Jesse!
You want it? All right, we hit this bank.
You'll be smiling once you got that money in your pocket, cousin.
Cole Younger's gonna make everyone rich!
결국 철도회사 사장인 레이스의 돈이 예금되어 있는 은행을 털기로 한 제임스 영거 갱단.
They're told nobody's gonna die. Hands up!
Oh no.
신문에 실렸던 기사는 이들을 유인하기 위한 핑커톤의 계략이었고 그때 제시가 나서서 이들을 제압하는데
one should I shoot first? Jesse, you all right?
이제 이들은 비어있는 금고에 총잡이들을 가두고 밖의 상황을 확인합니다.
Any ideas, little brother? Oh, Lord. Oh, Lord.
그런데 그때 지미가 총에 맞고
You're gonna rest here now, brother. Sorry. It was the best time of my life. I was famous, you know.
I'm out.
You're out?
Who's next, Cole?
Can't exactly go back to our lives, Jesse.
You want to keep riding with Cole? That's fine by me.
Go on, get the hell out of here, then. Don't come back when you find you can't farm with a 6-gun.
무법자의 삶을 마감하며 고향으로 돌아가는 제임스 형제.
There are lawmen and bounty hunters all over this county.
I'm getting married. I can't stop thinking about her. Look, I've quit my outlaw ways. Come live in my home. Be my wife.
이후 제시와 제레다는 플로리다로 가서 결혼식을 올리려고 하는데 그곳에서도 제시의 유명세는 여전했죠.
Jesse Woodson James. The Jesse James.
Well, I want this marriage to be legal.
Sir, I'm a man of the cloth who needs to repair a leaky church roof.
Of course.
Let's have a drink. Communion?
한편 콜은 계속해서 강도짓을 하고 있었는데
Sir? What? Where's Jesse James? You understand? The Younger Gang.
The safe now!
You know, Jesse James never went around yelling at folks.
콜은 사람들이 자신들을 존중하지 않는다며 불편한 심기를 드러냈고
We're outlaws. Not exactly the most respectable job.
Leave me alone. Come on.
But the life of the James gang wasn't all robbing and shooting and killing. Blazing Guns the West. True stories of Jesse James. When he sauntered into a saloon, the ladies flocked around him like flies to a candied apple.
Y'all wouldn't go believe in one of them silly dime novels, would you? Swimming.
Don't turn around.
Jesse James! You're under arrest!
What have you done?
I ain't done nothing, Bob.
Swear on Jimmy's grave.
You know Cole would never do such a thing. Cousins. Bob?
Sorry, Cole.
한편 감옥에 수감된 제시에게 핑코턴이 찾아와 워싱턴에서 재판을 받게 될 거라고 하는데
Did you order our houses burnt down?
Thaddeus Raines and Parker that day. We're gonna hang you, you know.
I'm not hanged yet. I should have just killed Thaddeus Raines.
I'll hang you,
Oh, you'll miss me.
but I may miss you a little bit.
다음날 워싱턴으로 향하는 기차 앞에서 제시는 레이스와 파커를 보게 되고
I remember you.
I remember you too. You killed my mom.
How did you know?
You stole thousands, cost me tens of millions of dollars. Wish I could hang you every single morning for a century. You like that? Solid gold. My father had it made. I'll give it to my son when he takes over the company. The right sort of men will always run this country. You'll always suffer.
Well, I'll tell you what. I'm gonna have to pay you a visit. It's a promise.
Big words. Open up!
Now your guns.
I don't like it.
I've seen you get close enough for Jesse James to grab your guns at least 3 times.
He's chained up.
If he lays a finger on one of your guns, you are all dead men. Your guns.
그런데 핑커턴이 객실로 이동하자 다시 총을 차는 요원. 그리고 잠시 뒤 제시는 탈출할 방법을 모색하다가 요원에게 모욕적인 말을 하기 시작하는데
Will this shut you up?
You know, I could do this without the gun.
제시는 요원들을 기차 밖으로 뛰어내리게 하고 지붕 위로 도망칩니다.
Outside! Get up on the roof!
더 이상 피할 곳이 없어 당황하던 그때 대포 소리가 들리고
Nice shot.
Go get my husband.
There's only 4 of them.
Move, you fools!
그러나 더 많은 사람들이 제시를 구하기 위해 돌진하죠. 혼란한 틈타 레이스와 파커를 찾고 있는 제시.
Come on, quickly! This way. Do it.
그때 파커가 총을 꺼내드는데
That was for my ma.
So important, James? They'll set the army on you? You and your wife.
That is a nice watch you got there.
Give it to me. And you damn sure know I can kill you anytime I want now that I'm free. You sleep on that for the next 20 years.
The railroad has no business in Tennessee.
Thank you.
Chasing you takes up too much of my time.
Fair enough.
이제 제시는 제레다와 동료들과 함께 이곳을 빠져나가고
If you get arrested again, I'll kill you.
Yes, ma'am. Well, you are a hell of a woman.
Don't swear.
Yes, ma'am.
안전한 곳으로 이동한 제시는 콜과 반갑게 재회하죠.
I thought maybe I had something to do with it.
Thought never crossed my mind. Where'd you get all these riders?
Relda did. So what's the plan, Jesse?
I think my wife and I are gonna go and buy a farm down in Tennessee.
You want maybe ride with the younger gang?
Bye, boys.
Tennessee, huh? I'll meet you there in a couple of weeks.
Shall we indeed, Frank?
Tennessee? When were you planning on telling me? Only because I asked?